Apple Intelligence made a huge splash at WWDC, promising to redefine how we interact with our iPhones. This isn't just a new feature, it's a deep integration of generative AI into the core of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. It aims to make your devices more personal, intuitive, and powerful, learning from your context to offer proactive assistance. Get ready for a truly smarter iPhone. At its heart, Apple Intelligence leverages personal context. It understands your emails, calendar, photos, and messages to provide highly relevant suggestions and actions. Imagine your iPhone proactively helping you draft replies, summarize long articles, or even organize your day based on your current activities. This deep integration is designed to feel natural and incredibly useful, always prioritizing your privacy. Siri is getting a massive overhaul, becoming far more capable and intelligent. With Apple Intelligence, Siri will understand natural language better, handle complex multi-step requests, and interact seamlessly with apps. It can even perform actions within apps based on your voice commands, like finding a specific photo or sending a message to a contact directly. This is the Siri we've been waiting for. The power of Apple Intelligence comes with a hardware requirement. It will be exclusive to devices with the A17 Pro chip or newer, meaning the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and crucially, the entire upcoming iPhone 16 lineup. This ensures the necessary neural engine and processing power are present for on-device AI operations, making the iPhone 16 a true AI powerhouse right out of the box. Beyond Siri, Apple Intelligence introduces powerful new tools. Writing Tools offers proofreading, summarizing, and tone adjustment across apps. Image Playground lets you generate unique images in various styles based on simple text prompts, and Genmoji creates custom emojis from your photos. These features promise to unlock new levels of creativity and productivity directly on your device. Privacy remains paramount for Apple. Most Apple Intelligence tasks are processed entirely on-device. For more complex requests that require cloud processing, Apple introduced Private Cloud Compute. This innovative system uses dedicated Apple Silicon servers designed to ensure your data is never stored or accessible to Apple, providing enterprise-grade security and maintaining your personal privacy. The integration of Apple Intelligence into the iPhone 16 marks a significant leap for personal technology. It's not just about adding AI, it's about making your iPhone more intuitive, helpful, and uniquely yours. The iPhone 16, powered by these advanced capabilities, is poised to offer an unprecedented level of personalized assistance and smart features, setting a new standard for smartphones.